Okay, have flour.
Okay, so let's start our song. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Yo bien, espero tú también. Hi, friends. So, Ayasha's teacher, oh my goodness, 1 second. I almost burnt lunch today. Okay, we went for a walk outside today, right?
Yeah, love taking eat poop.
Yeah, our dog tried to eat poop. Besides that crazy moment, what kind of weather were we having outside today? What was falling from the sky?
Raindrops.
Raindrops. It was drizzling. That means there was just a little bit of rain. And then Jelly Bean was asking, why does it rain? Why? So we're going to show in our science experiment today, you only need 3 things. What is this?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream. And what are these things here?
Colors.
Yes, food. They're called food colors.
There's green, and there's red, and there's blue, and there's yellow.
Yes. So we are going to make our own rain cloud in a bowl. So all we did was put regular water, and we're going to use the shaving cream to be what? What do you think this white shaving cream is going to pretend to be?
I don't know.
We're going to pretend that this is clouds. Okay, let me shake it up. Can you shake it up for me? Shake, 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 shake. Okay, yep. Oh, yeah, it's kind of hard. Whoops! Whoa, we gotta shake it up more. And what is the white shaving cream gonna be?
Clouds.
Clouds. Ooh, I like the way this smells. This is gonna be our clouds. So when the clouds become too heavy, when they become too heavy with water, what do you think is going to fall out of the clouds then?
The rain.
The rain. So we're going to pretend, let's start with this color first.
I want that one.
We're going to put on just one. It's better to put the food coloring on one spot. And you know what? I can't even take credit for this. Miss Maggie from Hilltop Elementary gave us this idea. Go ahead.
1, 2,
just in that spot.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, keep going, keep going.
10.
I'm going to lift it up. Do we see any rain coming down yet?
No.
No? Okay, keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
One spot, one spot. No. In one spot, one spot. Nope, keep going, keep going. Oh my goodness, I think I put too much shaving cream. Just one spot. Don't keep moving it around or the rain won't go through. Here, I'll put a little more.
Look, it's going down.
It's starting to go down.
Look.
I'll turn it around for you guys to see. Do you see?
Yeah.
So just like clouds, it looks like it's raining. Jelly Bean, do you want to do the yellow one now?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, keep going, keep going. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys over to see it better. Can you see? Oh, it finally went through. The clouds broke and the orange raindrops are coming out of our pretend cloud. Isn't that cool?
Mhm.
Okay, can you do the green now?
Mhm. Look.
That's okay. In just one spot. So, because the rain is
Look!
going to get so heavy.
Look.
Yep, keep going in that same spot right here. Only in this spot. It's going to get too heavy and go through the clouds.
Look.
Yes. It is happening. We are having thunderstorms, my friends. We have green rain, orange rain, and blue rain. It is. All right, should we use the last color?
Yeah, red.
Red.
I just stacking.
Sure. It's okay. That's why we wash our hands. Science is a messy business. All right, what's the next one?
Red.
Red. So, what do we call in science terms our rain? It's called precipitation. Can you say precipitation, Jelly Bean?
Vegetation.
Look at me, please. What did you say?
Vegetation.
Precipitation. All right. Can I move this over so our friends can see? Did the red go through yet?
No.
Okay, keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, I see it going through. Let me see if I can lift it up. Okay, scooch, stop. Whoa. Isn't that so cool? All of it went through and we got to see rain. Can you say the goodbye song for our friends, Jelly Bean? That was an awesome science experiment. We see how clouds work.
Mix it.
You want to mix it? Sure. But can you say goodbye to our friends first?
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye.